So you can write in the chat box, or you can just share. I want to understand exactly where you are right now at times. If you want to say, okay, just tell it. I think it will be difficult in chatting. So yeah, Umakanji, yes.
मुझे ऐसा लगा कि वो जो बिंदु है बीच में वो it looked like a flame after some time. And then I could actually feel कि ऐसा ही कुछ मेरे दिमाग में भी चल रहा है. ऐसा कुछ I could see that as I felt it's like a reflection of my mind or मेरा body ऐसा कुछ लगा कि वो मैं हूँ उस टाइप का. Could feel some connection.
That connection is the connection of a son with his father. So we are the children of God and he is our father. Okay. So that is the connect. That is the real relation connect of a soul with a supreme soul. That is why you felt it. So this proves that this theory and whatever we have been sharing is exactly something which you can experience, that there is a connection, and if you are soul, he has to also be a soul, and that connection means that father son, because all of us are souls. We are above genders, even we are above all these religions, above all these genders, because once we are a soul, these all small things of for the fight or community and religion and all those things only come when we are in body, but actually we are something else. That is why we say we are all brothers. So people don't say so many things, but they don't find out the logic. So this is it. So that is why you find that. Okay, great. Anything else? How was the experience?
So मुझे वही उसी फीलिंग में था मैं. I could not get into other any other feeling.
Connection is great. I think connection मतलब आप connect हो गए. आज मैं आपको एक बाद में एक चीज भी बताऊंगा अगर आपने knowledge की होगी. Okay, we'll connect. Yeah, Mr. Sarath. How was it?
It was my experience was it was looking like a Sudarshan Chakra or something, like a wheel, and at the center it was a bright white light, and there are 10 spokes in the wheel, and when I was looking over time, the light was looking brighter, and the surrounding lights also, surrounding circles also looking little bit like proportionally little bit more clear, more brighter, like the color is different, but it was looking bit different than
so
than earlier what I was looking. Earlier it was looking little fade, but it was looking.
And how was the experience? Like what did you? What was the feeling?
But actually, I had lot of other thoughts, so I didn't. I was trying to focus.
No issue. That is with your that issue. What you have, no, it is due to that not being able to focus. Okay.
I was trying to focus, then it was looking.
No issues. That will go down slowly. But what we need to do is we need to do the process of. Now once we'll do, then you will learn from whatever I do. Okay. So now you will do that. Dilip ji, what did you like find out first of all? Like what was your what did you see and get?
The first few minutes it takes, just to connect, it takes few minutes to focus and be in that spot. Only after few minutes when you start going inside that, then 5 minutes is too less actually. We should take more time.
Yeah, we will do this. Yeah. So
and stay there.
That is what you guys have to do.
So once you go there, because the thoughts have to, has to go. You go slowly as you keep on concentrating at the point.
So then after that, what did you do?
After that, the thought process, still flickering process, not to the point. So it's 5 minutes is too short time.
So we'll do that. Exactly why is it happening is that is the problem with you guys. See, I'll tell you that was not me also. So whenever you start doing these processes, that is why God says you have to do these processes thinking that you are a soul and then connecting to Him. So that is why I always keep on saying, just the biggest thing is knowing your identity, which is to be a soul. If you can be in this embodiment of soul, in this awareness of being a soul, 90% of our task is already done. Because the problem is only when we are in this body form, in this awareness that we are body. We fear our death only because when we feel that we are body, that death will come to body. But if you instantly change your thought that you are a soul, you will see that that fear will instantly go off, even that fear of death. So that is why we say, once you do this process, what you guys can do is, you can also use I am peaceful, I am calm and relaxed. Okay, so I'll show you guys right now. So we'll do this and then, okay, thank you. And any particular, so I understood your guys. And Nana, what was your thing? Like, what did you feel? I think you must have seen it after a week. You there, Nana? I think maybe.
Yeah, actually, I am doing 2-3 works right
Okay,
now.
okay. You can, okay, no issues. So just listen to the meditation and
Yes.
think in your mind. Okay, so we'll be starting this and we'll be doing, and then we'll finish it off, and you guys need to start working on the assignments. Okay. So
गौरव जी, वो जो पीडीएफ आप बोल रहे थे, could you please resend it again on this ये डिटॉक्स वाले ग्रुप पे?
हाँ, वो गॉडली नॉलेज वाला ना, आज की गॉडली नॉलेज वाला, वो मैं शेयर करूंगा, and it is amazing. You guys must go through it and share your experience instantly. Today God has just said, मैं आपको वही बताने वाला था, अगर आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होता, God has just said that सबसे बड़ी चीज है is the love what you have for me. Because कुछ लोग डर से भगवान को प्यार करते हैं. What he says is, I actually see who loves me, who has that intention. एक इंटेंशन होता है लोग भगवान से डर के वो करते हैं कनेक्शन. एक होता है कि वो प्यार से करते हैं. आप खुद सोचो, किसी को आप प्यार से करते हो, उसको आप सबसे ज्यादा वैल्यू करते हो, जिसके लिए आपको प्यार है. ओके, सो गॉड सेज दैट आई एम, मतलब he is actually hungry for the love you have for him. That is it. That is all what he wants. He does not want any money from you. He does not want any car from you. What he wants is just your time in mind. You do your family activities, do your job, do your everything, and do the best. He'll help you in that. But from mind, be in that awareness of him and in remembrance. And that is all what he wants. And you use this knowledge for your betterment and help others to get benefit. So that service is the biggest secret to changing your fortunes. I'll give it to you right now. Every time when I do a session for you guys, आपका तो पता नहीं, but मेरे को बहुत benefit होता है. So that is the power of it. I'm giving you the secret. So मैं तो ये चीजें कितनी बार जानता हूँ, कितनी बार कर चुका हूँ, लेकिन क्योंकि मैं आप लोग को सर्विस दे रहा हूँ by doing it and by sharing it with you, so I get rewarded for my service from God, and I get much better health. I get much better mental state, much more happiness, peace, contentment. That is why people do service. Because what you get from service, you cannot get from any other thing in this world. Even if you earn 100 crores and if you don't have peace, it is of no use. Okay, but if you have got little bit decent enough, and if you have that enjoyment, this joy, and freedom from stress, anxiety, and fear, that is worth 1,000 crores or priceless. Okay, chalo. So let's do this, and from now onwards, this is a commitment from you guys to do all those tasks and report in the group, because now I'll be analyzing it, and the best performer would definitely be rewarded. Okay, so you guys are one of my very important people, because I think it is the relationship which happens in the beginning, and especially because it's for the start. So I think you would definitely be my very very priority students. Okay, so chalo, I think we'll do this.
Yeah.
So
Thank
now
you.
sit down straight with your feet on the ground. Just relax your body.
On करके off करे लो.
I just do it. Yes. So just sit straight with your body very light and relaxed. So just loosen it up, drop your shoulders, and just see when you feel very light. You will feel very much relaxation in your body. Now, just feel that who is doing all this. Look over the thoughts in your mind. Just say, I am peaceful, calm, relaxed. Now you will find yourself getting into the awareness of the soul. You can just visualize that there is a very small point of light or a sensation in between your forehead. So we are actually that white point of light, very small. And you see that white light, there is white light coming out of it and spreading around. Now that white light even impacts your body and gets inside your body. It goes on to your brain, to your face, neck, your chest, abdomen, back side, shoulders, everywhere, to your thighs, legs, to the bottom of it. Now you are completely filled with that. Just feel that. Relax. Now you're just completely filled up with this white light of peace. You're feeling light, light as almost nothing. You're just a soul. You will feel that you are only this point of light. Now you see and focus towards God with all love you have for Him. Thank you, God, for giving me this opportunity to recognize you. I'm so blessed to even know about it, find out about it. There are so many people who don't even know about your real form. I'm so much lucky and blessed that you gave your identity, your recognition, and your introduction to me. Just see, focus on that point. You are a portion of peace, and I'm getting all the peace for today. You are an ocean of love. And I want all the love that I require. You are an ocean of purity, and I want all the purity for you. You are an ocean of knowledge, and I want all the knowledge. You are an ocean of happiness, and I want all the happiness for the rest of you. Just remember a moment of happiness, the happiest moment in your life, and remember that. And now feel that you're getting all the happiness from you. You are an ocean of bliss, and I want all the bliss that I require. I'm so blessed to have your love. To have known you out of so many people and the souls and the chosen one. I have no fear, no stress, no anxiety, because I am with you. Who can do anything to me if you are with me? I am the most powerful, the Almighty. You are an ocean of power, all the powers. I want all the powers for today, whatever I require. Now take your thought to whatever you want to achieve in your life. Whatever, just create a visualize the picture of exactly what you want to have in life. I want to have the best health. I want to be free from all my diseases. So I am perfectly healthy. I want more wealth. I am perfect healthy. Thank you, God, for providing me all this, whatever I require. And just believe and feel exactly that you have achieved that. Just see that picture, how you will be living your life with a perfect health, perfect wealth, and all the perfect happiness you want in life. You see God providing you all that. And whenever you feel complete, you can thank Him. And when you done, when you do it, share your experience, write it down here and in the WhatsApp group as well. Or it's better you share in the WhatsApp group straight away. Just feel complete. So you can tell me if you found any difference and anything better this time, so that I understand exactly what is working for you, what is not working for you. Just in a 1 to 2 sentence, just share exactly how did you feel. You are muted, Saraj. Yes.
Yeah, I initially I started by just eyes open.
Hmm.
Then slowly eyes were closed, and I
Okay.
am feeling some heaviness in the eye.
Hmm.
And when you said also like stop the meditation, I think that time also I was not able to open my
Ah,
eyes and I
okay.
was feeling little better,
Hmm.
little bit relaxed, and
Hmm.
I was not feeling opening my eyes. It was little like maybe
Yes.
half a minute or
So you
so,
are
I think.
feeling that
Yeah.
you are enjoying that you didn't want to open your eyes. But only thing is, just remember, you should always keep your eyes open. I'll tell
Okay.
you later on why. Okay.
Okay.
There is what happens is, no, I'll tell you this amazing thing. What happens is, that is why we ask you to see the dot, because you will
Yes.
focus there.
Yes.
What
Yes.
happens in the other meditations, what everybody else does, okay, the biggest of gurus, they close their eyes. So it's very normal to feel that meditation is actually this. But what happens is, that is why your mind wanders here and there. Whenever you close your eyes, you are not that concentrated, and you are not focused, you are not concentrated, and your mind has a lot of chance to wander here and there. But you keep your eyes open, you see, whenever you work, you keep your eyes open and you are much more focused and concentrated on your work. Okay. So that is why even right now we ask and tell you, and that is why you can do this anytime, anywhere, even according to your work. You understand? If you have to close your eyes, you will have an accident if you do a meditation while doing by closing your eyes. So it is so easy and so flexible, because it is just about the awareness in your mind and your brain. So that is enhancing your brain powers and mind powers, and that is what you want, rather than just closing your eyes, being like a sadhu, spending whole day in meditations, and not being able to work for your family or some other thing. So God provides us this liberty and flexibility to be productive at our lives also, at our worldly lives also. In fact, improve through His help, through His blessings. And the only thing we need to do is to just keep an awareness about Himself. Just remember That is it. That is all what he wants. He does not want money from you, does not want food from you. What he wants is just love. And the person you love most is the person who you remember most. Am I right? So it is just that. Okay, thanks. Umakanji says feeling energy now. During meditation, felt drawn into that moment. Cool. And Dilip ji, what about, Dilip ji is feeling relaxed. Nana could do it. So what you guys do is just share this in the WhatsApp group, okay? So that it is amongst all the group and people should feel that you guys have actually done the session and you are taking actions, okay? So, and you are actually uh, notifying it to the universe, publicizing it to the universe, and it will come more in. So just share this thing in the group that we did this session and it was an amazing session and just do this. Okay. Good night for today. And thank you guys. I'll just, so you guys can move at this.
Thank you.
Just do your activities, please, because this all is very important. You will enjoy more powers only when you have been doing these processes. Okay, so you may feel that it is it is something that you just do the meditation and you will take it off. No, if you follow these processes daily, then you will see a remarkable change in your whole life, in your health, in your everything. And Dilip ji has forward. I'll show you that video maybe in the next session or whenever, or maybe I can just share it with you. Okay, so let me see if I can. I think it is a bit 7 to 8 minutes, or we'll just let me see. I have to search for it. So I'll share that with Dilip ji. Okay, Anna, I think and maybe share. Okay, bye bye guys, and just start sharing your things in the WhatsApp group. Do your tasks and just see the change. Just do it for 7 days or 14 days, and then if you don't find benefit, don't do it. I will stop even asking you to do that. But for 14 days, please give it your best shot. Okay, bye bye.